Okay, so what I'll do here is I have a plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and a plus, minus, plus. So here I have plus 3 minus lambda. So plus 3 minus lambda I write as it is, and then my minor will be 5 minus lambda minus 1, 4 minus lambda, and 2 minus lambda. Okay. Next, I'm expanding by which column? I'm expanding by the first column because I have already got a 0 here, and there is no other way to bring another 0. So I'm directly expanding. So this position is what? This is a minus position. So minus of minus 1 will actually give you a plus 1. And what is the minor? The minor here is you cover the second row and the first column. You get minus 1, plus 1, 4 minus lambda, and you get a 2 minus lambda. And what about the third minor? This position is 0, so third minor will be 0. So this is equal to 0. So now we'll see what we are getting. 3 minus lambda into, multiply these two, 5 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda, minus of minus 1 into 4 minus lambda. Okay, and this becomes your minus minus becomes a plus, and again you have this into this, minus 1 into this, so you get minus 1 into 2 minus lambda, minus 1 into 4 minus lambda.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
So this
Hello.
becomes 3 minus lambda into
Sir, can you hear me? Okay, sir.
10 minus 5 lambda minus 2 lambda minus lambda square. And this becomes plus minus minus combined to become 4 minus lambda. Okay, plus. And what about this? This becomes minus 2 plus lambda minus 4 plus lambda equal to 0. So this is now 3 minus lambda. Okay, and this becomes your this becomes how much? This becomes minus lambda square, and this is 7 lambda, 8 lambda minus 8 lambda. Okay, and this becomes your 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, and this becomes your minus 6 plus 2 lambda. Okay, the second bracket equal to 0. Will not multiply. Okay, why? Because you see you got a minus lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 14 here. This is what you get. But here what I get here is if I take minus 3 out, this becomes uh, 2 minus lambda, isn't it? In fact, we take 2 out, sorry, not minus 3. We take the HCF 2 out, isn't it? 2. So this becomes 3 minus lambda. That is why we don't multiply. Now what happens, see? From these two, I can take 3 minus lambda common. What am I left with? I'm left with minus lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 14 minus 2 equal to 0. Right? So that means 3 minus lambda into minus lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12 equal to 0. That means either 3 minus lambda is equal to 0 or minus lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. That means either lambda is equal to 3 or you can take minus common here, lambda square plus 8 lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. Means either lambda equal to 3 or lambda square plus 8 lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. Now you can solve this quadratic in lambda. Either lambda is equal to 3 or
Yes, sir.
lambda square plus 8. What are the factors? 6 into 2. 3 and 4 will not give you. 6 and 2 will not give you. So have I made any sign mistake? There should be a minus sign here. Minus 8 lambda plus 12. Let's see. 3 minus lambda. 10 minus 7 lambda plus. So this is plus lambda square. Plus lambda square. And this is plus 4 plus lambda. Okay. See here. This minus minus becomes plus lambda, isn't it? Plus lambda square. This one. And here
Yes, sir.
plus 4 and plus lambda, isn't it? So plus 4.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes actually plus 4 minus lambda. No, this minus is okay. This minus is okay. Okay. Plus 4 minus lambda. This is okay. So plus lambda square. This becomes lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 14 and all this. This is okay. This only becomes plus. Becomes a plus. Becomes a plus. This plus and this remains. Minus twice of plus twice of minus twice of 3 minus lambda. So 3 minus lambda I take common. So I get minus 2. This is okay. So lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12. Yes, this is okay. Minus 8 lambda. So this should be a minus. There should not be a here. This should be a minus and this should be a plus. So this should be a minus and this should be a plus. Similarly here, this should be lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 12. Now we can factorize. So it's 2 into 6. So minus 2 lambda minus 6 lambda plus 12. So this means either lambda equal to 3 or lambda into lambda minus 2 minus 6 into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. Either lambda equal to 3 or lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. That means either lambda equal to 3 or lambda equal to 2, or lambda equal to 6. So you're getting 3 solutions. Any questions here?
No, sir. Understood.
Fine. There was just a sign mistake there. Okay. Otherwise, it was okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll proceed to the next one. Let me erase this one. Okay. So next, what we are going to do here is we finished 8 4. Okay. Next, we are going to do 10. Number 10.
Yes, sir.
The question
Okay,
here
sir.
is, using properties of determinants, prove that this is equal to 0. So we start by saying let delta is equal to. This is a fairly simple one, isn't it? So Govinda, you tell me what to do. Since your voice is clear today.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will make since in the first row. No.
First column.
In the first, yes, sir. First in the first column, 1 1 1 is there. So we will subtract from first row and second from yes, sir. From
We'll
first to
subtract the
second. Yes,
first
sir.
row.
We'll subtract one by.
We'll subtract the
Yes,
first
sir.
row from the second and the third. So 1 minus
Yes,
1.
sir. And then
This
again
becomes,
we will do the third one.
yes, and this becomes C plus A minus B plus C, right? Amir,
Yes,
is
sir.
this okay with you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And we'll give our reason.
Yes, sir.
Subtracting the first row from the second and third respectively. Okay. So this become 1
Yes, sir.
0 0. So we've got 2 zeros.
One.
A
Yes, sir.
and this
Yes, sir.
remains B minus A, and this remains C minus
Then
A.
C minus A.
This B plus C.
Then CC
Okay.
will cancel, sir. B plus C will.
Yes, CC will cancel. You only have to
Sir,
A
in
minus B.
the
Right. And here BB
and
will cancel.
then B will cancel. A
Minus.
minus C.
Okay. So now we'll expand by the first column.
Yes, sir.
If we expand by the first column, this is our plus position. So it will remain
Yes,
plus
sir.
1, which we don't write obviously. B
Yes, sir.
minus A minus B, C minus A minus C.
A minus C.
You've got this determinant. Now you can
Yes, sir.
find out very easily. So this is, you multiply these two. B minus A into A minus C minus C minus A into A minus B. So multiply, you get AB
Yes,
minus
sir.
BC minus A square plus AC minus AC minus BC minus A square plus AB. Now you open the brackets. I think all will cancel. Amir, what is the tapping sound I am getting always from you?
Tapping sound.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Typing sound is coming.
You're doing something else or what?
Something it is.
No, sir.
Okay, so we have proved that this determinant is equal to 0. If you are doing something else and typing something else, then you are doing
Okay, sir.
you are only,
No, sir, I'm not typing anything.
no, what I'm saying, I'm not saying that you are doing, but if you are doing, then only you are harming yourself. Okay, so we'll do the next one. 11. It's a CBSE problem.
Okay, sir.
You start by saying let delta is equal to sine alpha, cos alpha plus delta. You know the sign, right? Delta? Yes, you
Yes,
must
sir.
know. In quadratic, we have done.
Yes, sir.
Surprisingly,
Yes,
Govinda,
sir.
your
Yes.
voice is very clear today. How so?
Sir, yes, sir. Network is good today.
Sine gamma, cos gamma.
Sir, network is good today.
I understood. Cos gamma plus delta. Okay, so now what you do is you expand this by, you expand the third column by your sine a plus b, cos a plus b formula. First column remains as it is, sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. And this is becomes cos a, cos b minus sine a, sine b. Similarly, this becomes
Yes, sir.
cos a, cos b minus sine a, sine b. And this becomes cos a,
Yes, sir.
cos b, sine a,
Minus.
sine b.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see what happens. See that you have cos alpha here, you have cos alpha here, you have cos beta here, you have cos beta here, isn't it? You have cos gamma here, you have cos gamma here. That means what is missing here? Here cos delta is missing, isn't it? In all these cos delta is missing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So if you multiply this entire column by cos delta, and if you subtract from this, then all this will go, right?
Yes, sir.
First
Yes,
column
sir.
we write as it is.
Yes, sir.
Second column we write as it is. Third one we write as it is. Now since cos delta is missing, what we'll do here is we'll multiply the second column, that is this column, we are going to multiply by cos delta. And we are going to subtract from the third column. So cos alpha,
Yes, sir.
cos delta minus sin alpha, sin delta, subtract. You multiplied this by sin, cos delta, right? So cos alpha, cos delta, cos beta, cos delta minus sin beta, sin delta minus cos beta, cos delta. And here you have cos gamma, cos delta minus sin gamma, sin delta minus cos gamma, cos delta. So what did we do? Subtracting cos delta times cos delta times means multiplying the second column, right? Cos delta times the second column from the third column.
Yes, sir.
You understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what happens? This and this cancel off, right? That is why we had done all this. So that we wanted this to cancel. this cancels. So what are we left with? Let us write this determinant. Before we proceed, let us write the resulting determinant. Sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. And you have minus sin alpha, sin delta. And you have minus sin beta, sin delta. And you have minus sin gamma, sin delta. Okay.
Yes.
This is what resulting. Now what we want to do here is, we want this column to go. We want this column to become 0. So what you see here is, you have sin alpha here, you have sin alpha here. Sin beta, sin beta. Sin gamma, sin gamma. What is missing? If you multiply this by sin delta, this column, then and add it to this column, the third column, then all this will become 0, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So that is what we do.
Yes, sir.
You just erase this. Okay. So we multiply the first column by sin delta in our mind, and then we subtract. So first column without any change, we will write as it is. Sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Second column also we will write as it is. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. And then in our mind, I'm multiplying the first column by sin delta. So this becomes minus sin alpha, sin delta, and adding to the third column, sin alpha, sin delta, minus sin beta, sin delta, plus sin beta, sin delta, minus sin gamma, sin delta, plus sin gamma, sin delta, right? So all this cancels. So what do you get? Before what you get, you have to write the step, what you have done. Subtracting sin delta times the first column from the third column. Okay, which is sin alpha, cos alpha, and here you have a 0. Sin beta,
Yes, sir.
cos beta, a 0. Sin gamma, cos gamma, and here you have a 0. So therefore, this is equal to 0, which is proof. Okay,
Yes, sir.
any question?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
There was another way of doing this. You could have split the determinant also. Okay, but okay, I will not show you. This is very long to write. Let us do the next one, number 12. Very important problem, number 12. The understanding of number 12 is very, very important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Number 12. You have the determinant. This you need to prove that this determinant is equal to 4xyz. Okay, so we start from the left hand side,
Yes, sir.
or you can say take delta also, no problem. Y plus z. You have z, y, z, z plus x, x, y, x, x plus y. Okay, this is, now see, you have to notice one thing here. See, you have a y plus z here, isn't it? And you have a z here, and you have a y here, right? That means if I subtract the sum of these two rows from first row, then I'm going to get a 0, isn't it? If I
Yes,
take
sir.
the sum of these
Yes,
two
sir.
rows, second row and third row, and then subtract it from the first row, then I'll get a 0. So that is what we do. What you do is, for the first one, you have y plus z, and you subtract the sum of the second and the third row. You get a 0. Next here, what do you get?
Yes,
Z
sir.
minus, if you take the sum of these two, what will you get? Z plus 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
Y minus, and what is the sum of these two? 2x plus y.
Sir, 2x plus y.
Okay, this is what you're going to get. And these two we write as it is. Z plus x, x, y, x, x plus y. Okay. Now we simplify, or before that,
Z,
let's write the step. Subtracting
y minus
the sum of
0,
second and third row, second and third rows from the first row.
yes, sir.
Here clearly you get a 0. Here z and z cancel. You simply get a minus 2x.
Yes, sir, 2x.
Minus
Yes, sir.
2x.
Yes,
And here
sir.
also you
Here
get a
also minus 2x.
minus 2x. And here you get z, z plus x. And you get x. You get y. You get x. You get x plus y. Okay. So now what happens? You can take minus 2x common from the first row. You take minus 2x
Yes, sir.
common, what am I left with? 0, 1, 1. Z, z plus x, and
Yes, sir.
x,
Yes, sir.
y, x, x plus y. And your step here is taking minus 2x common from the first row. Okay. So this becomes minus 2x. And now what to do with this determinant? You got a 1, 1. So if you subtract the second column, or if you subtract the third column from the second, will we get another 0 in the first row? 1 minus 1. Subtract this column from this column. 1 minus 1, then you get a z plus x minus x, and then you get x minus x plus y. 1 x, x plus y.
Yes, sir.
Right? So we got two zeros now.
Yes, sir.
And write your step here, subtracting the third column from the second column. You get a 0, you get a 0, you get a 1. Z,
Yes, sir.
you get a z,
Plus z.
and you get an x. You get y,
Yes.
you x cancel, you simply get a minus y,
Minus 1.
and you get an x
X
minus
plus y.
y. And now we can expand. Expand by which row? The first row. Plus,
Sir, by
minus,
first.
plus. So here you have a plus, so no problem.
Yes.
Plus 1 we don't write. And the minor is z, z, y, minus y.
minus y.
So now what do you get? Minus 2x into minus yz minus yz, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Minus yz minus yz minus 2x into minus 2yz, which is equal to 4xyz, which is equal to RHS. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us do the next one. Have you finished differentiation? Govinda and Amir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
And we finished. Which problem we finished? Yes, we finished 12. Okay.
Sir, 12.
Yes. So now we are going to do another examination problem. Let's do number 14. Easy one. This is. You need to prove that. So you start from the
Yes, sir.
left hand side. Another easy one. This is because you have got 1, 1, 1. You can do this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because in the first,
In the first column, you have got all 1.
yes, sir.
So you keep the first row as it is, and you subtract the first row from the second row. Okay, and the first row from the third row also. Right? I'm not writing the reason. Okay.
Okay, sir.
1, 0, 0, x, x cube, y minus x, y cube minus x cube, z minus x, z cube minus x cube. Okay. Now plus minus plus. So this is simply plus 1 into this minor. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
what to do with this? What to do with this? Don't expand here. Okay. You see a y minus x here.
Okay,
You
sir.
see a cube minus b cube. First write a cube minus b cube form. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square.
B square.
And then again a z minus x.
Yes, sir.
And then you write this as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now from this determinant, this y minus x you can take common from the first row. Again z minus x you can take common from the second row. So what are you left with? 1, 1. And here you are left with y square plus xy plus x square. And here you are left with z square plus xz plus x square. Okay. So now we expand.
Yes, sir.
Now we multiply and expand the determinant. So you get this into this will give you z square plus xz plus x square minus, and this into this will give you y square
Sir, same. Y square plus xy plus xy.
plus x square.
X square. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Will give you z square plus xz plus x square. Open the brackets, minus y square minus xy minus x square. So what happens? Which one cancels? Anything cancels?
Sir, x square.
X square cancels. Fine. So you get y minus x, z minus x, and you take z square minus y square together, and xz minus xy together.
Yes, sir.
Now you can factorize this further. You can write this as
Yes.
z square minus y square. Take this within brackets, and from here you can take x common. So you get z minus y, isn't it? So into this is your z plus y into z minus y plus x times z minus y minus x, z minus x, z minus y into z plus y plus x. And what you needed to prove here? You needed to prove uh, right there, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, and oh, not this. Sorry, not this. My mistake. Which problem was this? Yes. You needed to prove x minus y,
Yes.
y minus z, z
14.
minus x, and x plus y plus z. Have we got here? Let's see. X minus y. This is y minus x. So I can take minus common.
Yes, sir.
So I can write this as minus x minus y. Y minus x. Why am I getting z? Oh, x minus y. Then y minus z. And z minus. So z minus x is already there. This is okay. And y minus z. You can write this as. And you can write this as x plus y plus z. So now these two minus minus combine to get a plus. So you simply get x minus y, this one, into y minus z, this one, into z minus x, this one, into this one, x plus y plus z. We've got, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So easy one, this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
let's do one more and then we'll finish today.
Okay, sir.
I've got 3 minutes left. Should I do one more?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I've got only 3 minutes left. Then I will have to upload this 2 videos. We'll do it tomorrow. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Friday,